In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to open a Tickmill Demo account. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is go up to your favorite browser and then search for tickmill.com. Then from here, it should bring something like this. And here, you'll need to go down to try a demo to open up a demo account. From here, it should bring something like this where you can see and being asked if you're already existing client. Here, I will highly advise you to click no, or else you'll go into the login page and then you'll need to fill in a bunch of different criteria that's going to take forever to do. From here, you'll need to click no and then add your first name, last name, email address, then your country and your phone number. Then from here, you'll need to add the platform that you want to trade on. You can either choose MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5. From here, you'll need to choose an account, either classic or raw spread, and you can click whether or not you're a retail trader or a professional trader. You can also down here add in what type of leverage you would like to trade with, and let's just choose this one for this example. From here, you'll need to add in a virtual deposit. Let's just click in 10K. Then from here, you can add the account currency, either USD, PLN, British pounds, euros, or Swiss francs. I'm just going to choose euros. From here, you'll be asked if you want to get a bunch of different emails, or if you want to declare that I have read and fully understood the Tickmill EU limited privacy policy. From here, you'll need to open an account, and then from here, it will say that they have sent you an email with the login details. And that should look something like this right here. And as you can see here, you'll have a demo account number, you'll have a demo account type, demo account currency, demo account password, and the demo account investor read-only password. From here, you can either click trade on the web trader, or you can download MetaTrader 5 down here. And if you've done that, it should look something like this. And here, you'll need to go up to File, and then open an account. From here, you'll need to go over to the search bar and click in Tickmill, and then click Find Your Company. From here, there will be three visible. There'll be the Europe one, there'll be limited, or there'll be the UK. If you're from the US, you'll need to choose this one, but if you're in Europe or UK, you'll need to choose the respective one. From here, you'll need to click Next, and then from here, you'll need to click on Connect with an existing trade account, and then log in with your login details, and then choose, of course, the demo account down here, and then click Finish. And that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!